I know deep up my feelings for you.
call them the Maroons.
Okay.
The first set of them, what they did was they came in, they plotted to come in and destroy the British, but the British knew they were coming. They got to know somehow, they waited for all of them, ambushed all of them, killed all of them, and they hung their heads on spikes in the village of Soufre. But we had a lady by the name of Flore Dubois Guillard, something of that sort. She was French African, so she was also a mulatto, meaning she was half white, half black.
Okay.
What she did was she escaped from a slave master one day. She ran into the hills, met with the rest of the Maroons, grew quickly as a leader. She then led a set of Maroons down and they destroyed the British. The rest of the British who survived that war flee back to England. We call that time l'année de la liberté, meaning the year of freedom in Saint Lucia. Yeah, so she was one of them who instigated the freedom of slavery in Saint Lucia. A lot of them had voyaged back.
It all goes to waste. As you can see, it's all over the place.
How long have you been doing for?
A little more than 25 years.
Any snakes I gotta worry about?
No, we don't have snakes in this area.
Okay.
Snakes don't like the smell of the salt, so they keep themselves far, far, far away.
That's interesting.
Mm-hmm.
What about tigers?
Tigers, we don't have no man-eating animals.
Okay.
No man-eating animals.
The animals are imported here, except like the ones that fly.
Yes, well, we have more of those wings. We have like 150. Oh yeah. We have like 160 species of birds.
Wow.
Yeah. Quite a lot.
What's the your bird?
National bird?
Yeah.
Amazona versicolor. The parrot. So if you want to do number 2, this is one of the leaves that you can.
Will you clean?
Yes.
So that's what you wipe your butt with?
That's what you do. Yes.
They should sell these in packages. You make a lot of money, man.
I know. Especially during the Corona, if they had that in the US.
Yeah.
You know, that was the most important thing for everybody, fighting over toilet paper.
Yeah, I don't know
I
why.
wonder. See how soft it is?
Yeah. What's the name of this leaf?
It's just a jungle tissue, that's what I call it.
Jungle tissue.
Jungle tissue. That's good.
But all you have to check
Nothing
is under
jungle
the
tissue.
leaves sometimes.
Do
for
you
the
need
red
jungle
ants before
tissue?
using it. You just have to make sure that you check. Tiny red ants under the leaves.
Oh, okay.
Hey, do you think you ever watch that show, Naked and
Afraid.
Naked and Afraid?
Right, yeah.
You think you could survive on that show?
Oh yes, I can. Oh
It
yes.
seems like you have a lot of knowledge.
Oh,
of,
quite a few. Yeah, that is like. I think I should introduce that show here.
They should.
That should be my new idea, you know. Yeah, Naked and Afraid. Survive in the wild.
So you.
We have another plant here. This is the blue vervain or the rat tail. Now the blue vervain, it's good for the men, you know.
Okay. Well, it gives you
It gives you a boost.
it gives you a boost.
Yes, and
Will it
also,
help with babies?
Yes. Also, you could juice the leaves, and it's good for blood as a blood cleanser and a liver detox.
No shit.
Blue vervain, yeah.
Wow,
Also
man.
helps
There's
in
so many
flush.
leaves, man.
Also flushing toxins from the body. Yeah, there's
Chew
so many
it.
leaves, and everything has a purpose, you know.
So you could just straight eat this leaf?
Right? Yeah.
Would that do it?
Yeah, that would help. Yeah. Because you see, everything is in mineral form, in the
Okay.
capsules.
So if I
Whereas,
ate this leaf, I'm not gonna get sick.
no,
am I?
you aren't gonna get sick. Trust me.
You know, CPR in case I get sick.
Oh yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. It just tastes bitter, you know.
So do you like know how to build a fire?
Yeah, it's a bit bitter. Yes, I do. I usually go. I have flint actually. I found flint on the beach. Once I went for crystal hunting. I found myself some beautiful pieces of flint. So this is papaya leaf.
Papaya.
Yeah, papaya. The green
Paper, right?
papaya.
Papaya, like
Papaya.
the fruit papaya.
I'm thinking of papyrus.
Oh, papyrus is a paper. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the first thing that the scroll were written on.
Yeah, I was thinking papyrus.
Right.
So papaya is that's a fruit, right?
It's different. It's different. Now the papaya to be used as a meat tenderizer. The green papaya, meat tenderizes any hard meat. And it's also good treatment for fibroids.
Okay.
You're like a doctor,
The
man.
lady, yeah. Man, you know.
You're like a pharmacist.
Pharmacy,
A jungle
yes.
pharmacist.
Yes. Well, everything happens started in a farm, you know. That's why the word pharmacist is associated with medicine,
Yeah.
distributed medicine, because everything. Word, you have to pay attention to words because words do have a meaning.
Yeah. So the word pharmacist comes from the word farm.
Yes, farming.
Interesting, man. I like that.
Very good. Pharmacy. The farm assists you.
Ah, I like that, man.
It is what it is.
I really like that. I'm gonna remember that.
If you listen to the word television, if you listen to if you sit down and you watch television all your life, would you achieve anything?
No.
It's like
Oh, it depends on what you're watching.
It depends on what you're watching. Yeah. Television, man. Yeah, I didn't put it there. I didn't know about it. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can be rich, man.
Well, I mean, just sharing it with you is already a good feeling already. You know, I'm so happy that I am here to share the knowledge. You know.
Yeah.
So it's a bit humid at the top, but when you get to the valley, you get to see a change in the temperature. See the toilet paper tree? Some of the leaves sometimes get pretty huge, you know, so they cover a large surface. Cover your bubble.
Yeah. So have you climbed the peak on?
Oh, many a time.
Well, you take tours up there, right?
Yes, I do.
You look like a healthy guy, man.
Oh yeah, I mean, I try to. My favorite hike is actually Mount Jimmy or the rainforest.
Okay.
Yes, cooler. Pitons, something about the pitons. Around this time of the year where it's extremely warm, you can feel the humidity.
Yeah.
If you climb it, you know, especially there's grow piton, all trees are shed their leaves, so you're like exposed to the elements. Pito is not so much like that, but Pito is not one that they probably recommend because of its very steep climb.
Yeah.
But this is the best view of when you climb Pito. And I also like to climb Mount Jimmy, which is the highest peak on the island, highest mountain. But Mount Jim is very, very cool, you know.
How many miles is the rainforest hike?
It depends. The rainforest has several trails actually.
Okay.
Several. This one we did one like probably 4.5 hours, maybe 6.5 miles. And there's also a trail that takes you across the island. Starting to where you exit. But you don't you start off like maybe 6 miles inland and you exit here. It takes you all the way through. Go to the east coast.
Have you been to Martinique?
Oh yes, I have.
How do you like Martinique?
Oh, Martinique is very, very, very creole. Very, very, very creole. A lot of the buildings are still very creole. The thing I don't like about Martinique, their cooking is probably different than what we do here. So I'm not very used to the cooking. But Martinique is good. I've got a lot of family over in Martinique. Brothers, I've got a niece up there, my aunt lives over there. So you just see across there with the white resin on the back, this is a frankincense. You know frankincense is very, very useful with the story about the three wise men.
No, never heard of it.
Really? Frankincense, gold, myrrh.
Oh, right, from the Bible.
Yeah, from the Bible. Yeah. So this is a young, this is an old tree. So
This is what he brought?
yeah, this is one of the things that was given to this Jesus by the three wise men. Now frankincense has anti-aging properties. Also, it is used to calm your nerves.
Is that why he gave it to Jesus?
That is why, yeah.
This is what he gave?
Yeah. Smell.
Ooh.
Yes. Kind of very.
It's kind of sticky, yeah.
Yeah. Because this one is fresh. Normally,
So what are you supposed to eat this?
No, you dry it, you burn it.
Or so you just smell it?
Yeah, you could smell it, burn it, smoke it, you know, smoke
You
it.
can smoke this?
I know you put it in a smoker.
Oh, I thought you meant like...
No. Now I've had a few clients who have contracted the coronavirus, and they said when they lost the sense of smelling and tasting, when they smelled this, that's when they got back the senses.
Wow.
So it has some qualities, yeah.
Very cool.
So, also, this is used for women actually, actually not women only, but for it has anti-aging properties. So you can see how important it is.
Well, how old are you?
I going to be turning 42 in June 24th.
Okay.
So,
Oh, June 24th.
yeah, June 24th.
My daughter's the 25th.
Really? Thanks, sir. Thanks are the best people, right? Because are always knowledgeable people, always
Oh, she's a kind soul. Yeah.
kind soul, yeah.
More peace.
That's how cancers are, yeah. Very, very quiet.
Well, they say cancers are very in tune with their emotions, too.
Well, it's true. It's true. So ready with the hair water?